PeaceWheelsEvents.com at the York County School of Technology. A car show on the 11th. I should say car and truck show. Well, there are a few bikes too. The trucks were looking really fine. Some really great stuff here. Just doing a quick walkabout of one of the rows. There are trucks interspersed amongst the cars too. A lot of them came here. There's some great heavies also. Me too. No, it's not a pickup either. Well, obviously. Give the school a plug.